Now we'll discuss the question number 43, and it is from ECM, electrochemical machining. And the question is, an electrochemical machining is used to cut a through hole into a 12 mm thick aluminium plate. The hole has a rectangular cross section 10 mm into 30 mm. The ECM operation will be accomplished in 2 minutes with an efficiency of 90%. Assuming that a specific removal rate for aluminium is 3.44 into 10 to the power minus 2 mm cube per ampere second. Now the current in ampere required is, so we have to find out the current. So we'll write down the given data. So given data we have this a specific removal rate, a specific removal rate we have, which is equal to 3.44 into 10 to the power minus 2 mm cube per ampere second. Efficiency given, efficiency is 0.9. Then we have to make a through hole into a 12 mm thick plate. So thickness of the plate is, so we have, suppose we have this plate, into this we have to make a rectangular hole. So thickness of the plate is 12 mm and the cross section of that hole is 10 mm into that 30 mm. Now in this, and we have to find out the current in ampere. Now, so a specific removal rate, it is given as 3.44 into 10 to the power minus 2 mm cube per ampere second, and the volume of the metal which is to be removed. So volume of that aluminium which is to be removed will be equal to that 10 into that 30 multiplied by the thickness of that plate, which is equal to 12. So it is 3600. So that 3600 mm cube is to be removed. Now we have this specific removal rate. So the energy requirement will be, energy required will be this 3600 upon this specific removal rate, which is equal to that 3.44 into 10 to the power minus 2. So 3.44 into 10 to the power minus 2, which will be equal to this 104651.16, this much ampere second. So this much energy is required, to remove this material, this 3600 mm cube. Now efficiency given is 0.9. So obviously will actual energy requirement, this actual energy this required will be, the energy required, this 104651.16 upon 0.9. So which will be equal to this 116279.06, this much ampere second. So this much energy is required, to remove this much volume of matter. So we have to find out the current. So the current requirement will be, this current will be equal to the actual energy required, which is 116279.06 upon this time which is given. Time is given, that is the ECM operation will be accomplished in 2 minutes. So 2 minutes means 2 into this 60. So you will get 968.99 ampere. So this much current is required to remove this much volume 3600 mm cube in 2 minutes.